Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your mortgage account on Barclays Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in barclays.co.uk/mortgages and press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Barclays Mortgage. Now from the homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login portal. You have various options to log into your account, which includes your membership number, your card number, or your sort code and account number. You can simply enter either one of these credentials, which commonly includes your last name, followed by your membership number or your card number, and after entering both of these credentials, click on the continue button. If you forget any of your credentials, you can click on the don't know your number option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials by entering your details. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Barclays Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.